Hello honeycrunchers, I'm Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I'm extremely excited to share to you guys the products that OMG has sent me. When I opened the package, I just literally said OMG. And I was like super happy and surprised because I didn't expect that they'd give me so many products. I want to thank OMG for sending me all of these amazing products, and I really can't wait to try them all. I'll be featuring them on my upcoming videos, blog, and IG posts, so never forget to follow me on my official social media accounts so you won't miss any of my updates. So now let's take a closer look to the products that OMG has sent me. OMG sent me 6 rectangular stamping plates with different theme designs. This one has some feathers, owls, and dreamcatcher designs. Should I do a Coachella nail art? Then we have some unique full pattern designs. Third we have is a floral themed stamping plate. The designs on this one looks very intricate and detailed. This one has lace patterns. And the last one contains kitty patterns, sailor patterns, and many more. And next we have is OMG's Nail Stamp Tool Kit. So many of you guys have been requesting me to do a review video for this product, and guess what? It's finally happening. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Then we have some nail art strips. Next we have is OMG's Nail Art Stamp Pad. The next products are OMG's Titanium Professional Tools. These 3 are for men. These are bigger than the other set. We have a nipper, a toenail clipper, and a fingernail clipper. Then these 3 are for women. This set is much smaller than the ones I've shown you earlier. And we have a nipper, a toenail clipper, and a fingernail clipper. Then we have these products. I think this one is also a nipper because it has a sharp end. Then we have OMG's nail file. And lastly is a pair of tweezers. And that's all of the products that OMG has sent me. Among these products, which one would you like me to review first? Leave your comments below. Again, thank you so much OMG for sending me all of these. Don't forget to follow OMG on their official pages. The links will be available on the description box below. Oh, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!